How to send a file in Messenger. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a file in Messenger. Without further ado, let's get started. So instead of actually doing it within the Messenger app, it might not work for Android phones and also an iPhone, so you can't do it directly within the app. So what we're going to do is to open up our browser. So I'm just going to open up Safari over here. If you have any other browsers like Google Chrome and many other browsers, just open that and type in the search bar the URL of Facebook, so facebook.com. If you haven't logged in, just make sure to log into that account you want to send a file to. So it should look like this. It should be in the mobile site first. So what we're going to do is to request the desktop site of Facebook. So to do that, just click on this AA icon at the top left corner. Click on Request Desktop Website. And what we're going to do next is to tap on the URL at this bar right here. And as you can see, it should say m.facebook.com. So what we're going to change over here is to replace that letter M with 3 W's. So just like that. And click on Go. And that should load up the desktop site of Facebook. Just click on the messenger icon over here and click on the particular conversation that you want to send a file to. So for example, I'm gonna want to send a document to this particular friend, and just click on this photos icon over here right beside the plus icon. And what we're going to do is to click on choose files. So here you can access all your documents within your phone. So if you don't have that document here, download that first and put it in your Files app. So once you have clicked on the Files option, just select the document or file you want to send. So for example, I'm going to send this particular file, and just click on the send icon over here, and that should immediately send the file in Messenger. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.